an innovative approach to technology transfer project with rural and indigenous farmers using the field schools model. By Morales Guerra, M. Cadinapres, K. Y. Cadinainiges, P. Bardugorejo, J.G. Rodriguez Hernandez Fr. and Q.E. Vasrais, V. The objective of this work is to describe the stages involved in conducting a technology transfer project with rural and indigenous farmers using the field schools model. Additionally, it includes an analysis of the results obtained in various studies using this method, with the aim of contributing to alternative schemes for technology transfer in rural areas of the country. Subsistence farming is carried out in the southeastern region of Mexico by elderly farmers who speak indigenous languages and have little to no formal education. These farmers have been the focus of several agricultural extension programs, but the results have not been what was anticipated, primarily due to administrative and methodological issues. The results identified that administrative problems in linear methods have frequently been that programs started late, fee payments were inopportune, and for the most part, the technicians were dedicated to covering administrative tasks. To implement the field schools model, bibliographic information was gathered, and the initial training sessions were conducted on a monthly basis, with a 2-day duration. As for the methodological aspect, it refers to the fact that field technicians do not have the capacity or preparation to work with elderly producers, speakers of indigenous languages, have a limited understanding of Spanish, and have received little or no schooling, which requires an appropriate work method. However, the attention of the Extension Service has been conventional, with practices aimed at covering operational goals. The results, measured in the adoption rates of the technological components, indicate an average of 60% adoption of the technological components in basic crops, lemon and tomato in the greenhouse. Further results from the field schools were obtained in commercial crops, specifically for greenhouse tomato production in the southern region of Oaxaca with Zapotec indigenous producers. It is concluded that the andragogical method, mainly learning by doing, has demonstrated its efficiency in the training of adult producers. The scheme shifts from a traditional linear transfer model to a consensus-based decision-making model, and a process of critical empowerment of technological innovations tailored to each context. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.